Hey guys, Sean here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share 2 Clickbank tips that are going to help you to make more money on Clickbank, and not many people are actually talking about them. They're quite simple, yet a lot of people don't know about these things, and these two actually go hand in hand. So the first one I'm going to talk about, the first one I'm going to share is kind of related to the second one, and the second one actually supports the first one. So it's pretty cool. You can use them together to make more money if you're trying to make money as an affiliate. It doesn't matter if it's on Clickbank, you could use these on any network or any product you promote, really. But in this particular case, we're going to talk about Clickbank. All right, so let's talk about this. So the first important thing, which I've mentioned before actually, I think, is the fact that if you want to make affiliate sales, best way to actually do that, best way to make affiliate sales is to sell it to your customers, not visitors. All right, so I've seen a lot of people, and there's nothing wrong with selling affiliate products to visitors, all right, but selling to customers is just much more effective, and you get more sales and more conversion rates. Now, what do I mean by selling it to your customers, not visitors? So instead of just creating a campaign and sending traffic to your campaign, let's talk about a simple way to make affiliate sales. All right, so let's say you got this video on YouTube, and this video has a link. All right, and the link sends them to maybe another page. Maybe we call this the pre-sale page, okay? And then this pre-sale page sends them to the affiliate link where you make your commission, when you make your sale, right? So the problem with this is that you're gonna get a lot of people falling off, on this funnel. So maybe people watch your video. If they don't, obviously they're just gonna leave. If they do, they're gonna go here, and there's a chance they're gonna fall off here, and then you're not gonna get the most out of it, basically. But what you could do is, instead of just doing this, you could set up your own products. Okay, you could set up, let's say you sell a product, let's say you want to sell an affiliate product on Clickbank that is about weight loss. All right, so what you do is you create your own weight loss product first and sell it for 10 bucks, and then what you do is you build a list of customers. This is a list of people who bought something from you, buyer list. All right, so list of customers, and then you sell the Clickbank product that you wanted to promote initially to these people. So this is where you make the commission. Now this is the difference, selling your product to your existing customers instead of selling it to visitors. So I'll show you examples of this when we get to my computer. All right, so that's the first one. Second one, which is a simpler, it's quite simple, but people don't bother doing this, and this is something I learned by experience, which is asking the product owner to increase your commissions. Surprisingly, this is something you could do on Clickbank, in case if you didn't know. Let's say a product has a 50% commission, okay? So let's say the product is $97, okay? And you get a 50% commission. So what you could do is you could actually contact them, the owner, and tell them, hey, I have this funnel, the funnel that I literally talked about, all right? You can say, I have this funnel, and I would like to have my commissions increased. Could you increase the commissions by 20%? And they do it. A lot of people do it. Now, this is something I learned by experience. Let me tell you how I learned it. So one of my first major cases of success in affiliate marketing was when I was promoting, this was a long time ago, it was like 5 years ago, when I was promoting a product on Clickbank. The product was called Google Sniper. I was promoting it, I was making a ton of money. I was bringing a ton of commissions every single day to this product. And the owner of this product actually called me, and by calling me, I mean like they messaged me on Clickbank. Somehow they got my information. I don't know how. So they contacted me through Clickbank, and they said that, hey, we're seeing that you're bringing a lot of commissions. We could actually increase your commission rate. And they did. They pushed me from, I think it was like 50% sell to 75%. And another cool thing they did was they were paying me sending me money through PayPal every week for every X amount of sales that I was making. Like, I think it was like 20 sales or something like that. I don't know. I don't remember exactly what was the commission, like extra commission that they were sending me, but you get the point, guys. You could actually contact the vendor, the product owner, and ask him to increase your commission, and they do it. I mean, even if they don't, it's worth a try. All right. So it's a powerful way to just right off the bat have a better start and a much more powerful start than anyone else, really. All right. So you should definitely try this. So let's go to my computer. Let me show you an example of the funnel I was talking about. You know, selling your own products, and we'll move on from there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you some example of the strategy I just talked about, which was, you know, like having your own front product first, and then creating a list of customers, and then actually selling Clickbank products to your existing customers. All right, and then I'm gonna talk about contacting product owners on Clickbank to get them to increase your commissions. All right, so let's get started. So the first example is an example of me selling a product about dating. So it's just a product about dating, and then what I do. So this is a product I sell for like $5, and this is not a product that I own. Let me explain how I do it, but I'll explain in a minute. So take a look. So this is a simple sales page. I mean, you're selling a $5 product, so you don't have to really do that much of work. So yeah, it just goes to an order form, $5, and they access the thing. Now, you could do the same thing with, like, this is a custom WordPress site, but you could do it with ClickFunnels. You know, you can have if you have a ClickFunnels account, you could just create something like this pretty quick. Although you need like the enterprise version of the ClickFunnels. So yeah, so that's that. This is an example. So again, I sell a product about dating, and I build a list, you know, of people who bought something from me, and then I sell more dating products on Clickbank. And another example, this is actually me, my own video. Like, I made this product myself. It took me literally like 2 hours to create this, but it's me. Like, I'm not using anyone else's video or anyone else's products. I'll explain how I get these products if you don't want to create your own products. Again, same concept, you know, goes to a page, sales page, and then goes to purchase page to buy a product and access it, and then after that I sell more Clickbank products or affiliate products in general. All right, so let's go back to this one. Just want to give you a tip about this. This is a product I don't own. The way this works is that you buy PLRs. Just go to Google and search it, PLRs, PLR products. All right, and you can find a bunch of places that they sell these kind of products. So if, like, for example, this is the place I buy my own products. It's called Master Resale Rights. I don't own this site, so I'm not promoting it. So yeah, but for example, let's say you want to promote a weight loss product on Clickbank. So you go here, you just buy something related to weight loss. You get a search actually. Just do that. There you go. So smoothie cleanse. Videos and ebook, and you buy this for $9, and this is not like something you learn, it's buy to learn. It's just a PLR, meaning it's private label rights, meaning that you buy it so you can use it, you can sell it as your own. All right, so yeah, it just explains what is this about. Actually, it's pretty cool. Take a look. So it got videos, a video format, and they got the PDF books, so you can actually use both of them, and yeah, all that stuff. So one thing that I always look into is if they have sales pages inside, so that helps a lot. So you don't have to actually create a sales page. You can just copy that content and sell it. So you got to look into that. There you go. So included sales page, yes. See guys, included download page, you don't need that stuff, but yeah, included sales page, yes. So you can actually use this. All right. So that's that. This is how I find products to sell. So again, you just create your products, create products like this, and you sell it, and then you sell more products after that. So that's that. The second one is contacting people on Clickbank. That's quite simple. Like, you just want to go to Clickbank Marketplace, and every product that you see, you can literally, they have their information right there, so you can just contact them. All right. This is something I do every single. I haven't really talked about this one, but this is something I do every time I'm promoting a product. I just contact them and tell them, hey, I'm going to send a bunch of traffic, and this is buyer traffic, customer traffic, not just people who might be interested. So is there a way for you guys to increase my commissions? So the commission rate, for example, on this one is 74%. So I wouldn't touch these, the ones that have 74%, because they already are pretty high. So for example, this is a good one. I haven't really touched on this product yet that much. I promoted, but not that much. So it's a 50% product, so I could just contact them and talk about myself. And that's something I personally could use. But if you don't have that, if you don't have like that kind of influence, you can just tell them, hey, I'm gonna send a bunch of buyer traffic to the product, so if you could increase my commission rate to like 70% or something like that. So hey guys, that's pretty much it. You know, I just hope these were helpful. These are something that you could definitely use to make a ton of money on Clickbank or any affiliate network, really. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So I got a couple of things for you that you should definitely check out. So first one is a link in the description. That the first link is going to take you to a playlist on my YouTube channel where you can learn more if you want to watch more videos like this, specifically about that funnel I was talking about, you know, the $10 product funnel. So I have a couple of videos about that takes you into more details about that funnel, so you should definitely check out the playlist. So it's not going to take you anywhere. It's directly on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube. You don't have to go anywhere, and it's all free. So definitely check out that playlist. There's a couple of videos in there, more details about this thing, because that's how I make most of my commissions, and something you should definitely apply into your own business as well. All right, so that's the first one. The second link is going to take you to my training. If you want to learn more about this, if you want to learn more about these things in detail, you should definitely check out that training. It's called the Varsity Gold Masterclass. The link is going to take you there if you want to see it all in detail. The thing is, when it comes to Clickbank, you know, selling products, not just Clickbank, but any affiliate product, there isn't just one way to make money. You know, there are multiple ways to do it, and you got to choose the right strategy based on the product. All right, it's not just about you promoting something. You got to choose the right strategy based on the product, and that is going to teach you all. You know, it's going to teach you different strategies, and it's going to explain what strategy you should use based on the product, and it's going to teach every single thing in detail. You're going to actually see me building the website right in front of you. So it's pretty detailed if you want to learn it. If you want to learn it in that kind of, you want to see that kind of detail level. All right, so check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. I really look forward to reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next one.